So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are staying good and stay positive. So this reading is for the Earth element lectors will go on Capricorn. In this video, we are going to check about your September month prediction for your love life. Okay, so how it could be goes, and we will check your person channel or message as well at the end of the video. Okay, so guys, if you're looking at my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. So please give your support, because your each and every subscription will definitely motivates me a lot, and it will definitely helps to grow this channel as well. Okay, so please give your support. So let's see for the Earth element like Taurus will go on Capricorn, like what will be happen when it comes to the September month love life prediction. Okay, I'm just getting enough for the cards. Okay, Four of Pentacles. So in the bottom of the deck, we get the Four of Pentacles, and as well as we get the Moon card. So you may be missing some person, or you maybe feel that your person may choosing other person. Okay, there is some kind of a third party involvement may also be happen when it comes to your relationship. So the first card we get Seven of Wands. Okay, Seven of Wands, and next we get the World. And next we get a King of Swords, and next we get the Eight of Wands, and next we get the Six of Swords, and next we get a Four of Pentacles. So yeah. So I can see a lot of scenarios here. I will try to explain the every set here. Okay, I hope so. I may be seeing a 3 set kind of a reading. Okay, so take how it resonates, because this is be like a general reading. So like I can collect a lot of energies here. I can see a lot of energies here. So for the one set of the people, I can see that there may be some kind of a chances that your partner may be get married with some other person. Okay, so that you are feeling very much vulnerable and you don't know what to be do, because they are choosing some kind of a new direction. So you may be miss this person a lot. You may be like you may be thought that you may be like marry this person one day, but I think that your person may try to choose some other person. They are opening up their options, and as well as they are trying to choose some other person. Could be they can marry another person as well when it comes to this September month. Okay, so I can see that there is some kind of an X kind of an energy I can see here. Okay, and as well as I can see for all your past person is trying to return back in your life, but still you are feeling very much traumatic kind of a situation. So you doesn't know like how to be react, and you doesn't know how to be take some kind of an action. So you are still be in this kind of a grudges that no, I should really focus on my own life, even though you are feeling very much depressed, or even though you are feeling very much left out in the cold, being alone, but still you are trying to be like detached from your relationship, so that you want to be focused on your career pathway. Okay, so you know that you are feeling very much sad and you are feeling very much alone, but still you are choosing this thing. You are choosing you are doing injustice for yourself. Okay, and as well as I can see there for some kind of the people, there may be some kind of a chances will be happen when like some kind of an argument will be happen when it comes to your relationship. Okay, so you want to fix the thing, but at the same time you are be like something kind of a mood switch kind of an energy. Okay, so you want to try you want to just try with this person. You want to fix the things between you both, and you want to take this person to some kind of a travel or vacation, or else you want some kind of a stable love relationship, like stable marriage kind of a relationship, but still you are feeling that this is not going to be happen, or you maybe feel that this could be tough for you, like according to right this moment, you maybe think that this is hard for me, that I can't able to do that, I can't able to impress my partner, I can't able to impress my person, because there is some kind of a financial losses also you may be faced, or there is some kind of a financial issues also happen. So that's the reason you are thinking that if at all you are be with this person, you need to be spend some kind of a money and you not have the money. So that's the reason you are trying to avoid your partner as well. So this could be also some kind of a reason. For other kind of an earth element, I can see that even though you are feeling alone, but still you are acting very cold when it comes to your person, because something is be like feeling very grudges for you, something is feeling like heavy on your chest. So that's the reason you are trying to be like get away from your person. You want to be detached, you want to be like stay away from them, even though you don't want to be like that, but still you are staying stay away from them. Okay, so this is for other side of the people. And third side of the people, I can see there for some kind of a people, I can see that this person may try to choose some other option as well. So you know that this person is into some other person, or you may be see that your partner is dealing with other person. So maybe you can you maybe find out them that they are dealing with other person, they have been cheated you, they have been betrayed on you. So you just try to argue with them like what is happening here, because they are not true towards you, they are not genuine towards you. So that is also one reason here. So even though this person is coming to fix the things, even though they are trying to communicate, but still they know that they have done some kind of a mistake, because your partner know that they have been cheated on you. So that is also be a thing here. So with the moon card, again, you not have any kind of a clarity, but you may get any kind of a clarity in this September month, or else for some kind of an earth element, you already may get any kind of an clarity. Okay, so with the again the bottom of the deck, it's be like a judgment and 5 of cups. And yeah, so you guys are be like very very emotional towards your partner, but for a lot of the earth element, I can see that your person have been moved on. They maybe choose some other person over you, and you know that this person have been choose some other person over you. And the 5 of cups, I can see that you are feeling this toxicating kind of an energy. So you need to be focused on your health. You should need to be like rather than controlling the situation, you should need to be focused on your health. If at all you want to take any kind of an action, you can take the action, but rather than don't try to be detached in this kind of a situation, because I know that you are feeling very much low, you are feeling very much very much like an haunted kind of an energy. But still, yeah, so these are the thing I can see for the earth element. According to the conclusion, even though you this could be rested for the set 1 or set 3, set 2 or set 3, whatever, whatever the thing it is rested for you. But the end of the day, I want to say that if at all you want to take any kind of an action, you can take any kind of an action. Okay, so even though you maybe see that this person have been choose some other person over you, but still you can if at all you want to communicate with them, you can communicate with them to figure out the solution here. Okay, so there may be some kind of an final judgment can be happen in a relationship. So you maybe get an answer, either you should be stay in this connection or to be move on. But max of the earth element, I can see that there is some kind of a chances that you may be moved on from this connection. You maybe feel that this person is dealing with somebody, or you maybe think that there is some kind of a distance will be happen, there is some kind of an argument will be happen with this person. So you maybe think that if at all you want to fix this relationship, you need to be spend some money over them, because like you want to take them to some kind of a travel purpose, because travel involvement is also there. So that's the reason you maybe think that right now you are facing some kind of a money losses, and you can't give them this perfection when it comes to this relationship. Okay, so you can't take them outside, or you can't do any marriage with this person right now according to these conditions right now. Okay, you maybe think that there is like a lot of money you need to do these things. Okay, so that's also the reason that due to the financial losses also, you maybe try to step away from this person. So these are the things also I can see here. So like overall for the earth element, like I can say one thing, like if at all you want to communicate with your person, like doing like a heart-to-heart connection, you can do that. Okay, or else if at all you want to detach, you want to be detached from them, you can. So self-focus is also be good overall. So let's see about your person deep feelings for you for the earth element. Yeah, so this person wants to say a lot, I think so. Yeah, I get a lot of messages. I'm not emotionally available right now. Yes, you can see this. So this could be your energy as well, this could be your person energy as well, because there is some kind of a third party involvement is also here. I'm thinking about reaching out. So what I've been said, this person do have either, even though they have an option, they are trying to come and communicate with you, but I don't know you will be accept them or not. Okay, and the next message is, I want to talk to you, but I don't know what to say. So this is again there, this is again the confirmation that they want to talk to you, but they doesn't know how to like communicate with you, because you are blocking them in upfront. I look at your pictures on my phone. Yes, this person will try to miss you a lot, but some kind of a people, there is chances that your ex person will also be returned, your past person will also be returned. You are a wifey and husband material at the bottom of the deck we have been seen. So yeah, I can say that you also thinking some kind of a long-term relationship with your partner, and they also thinking some kind of a long-term relationship with your partner, and you are not trying to give this. That's the reason this person will try to open up the other options. And for some kind of the earth element, I can see that this person wants to have a long-term relationship, but you are not giving to this person, okay, because due to your financial constraints, you are not trying to open up with this person. So that is a lot of mixed energy I can see. So better I can say that in this Shadavar month, you better focus on your own healing journey, or else if at all you want to take any kind of an action, you can take an action, okay. And it's be like a mutual kind of an energy only here, but something is be like detached also. So it is be like a mixing kind of an energy, okay. So the so when compared to all the readings only for the earth element, I get a lot of channel of messages. Like I think rest of the zodiac sign, I just take only like 2 or 3, max to max 2 or 3, but in your scenario I have been taken 5 cards as well. So that is the thing that this person wants to say a lot, and they are be like some kind of an dicey kind of an energy, and I hope that you also be like a dicey kind of an energy. So you both are be like a mirroring each other, a ghost of kind of an energy also I can see there. So I have already given my guidance. If at all you want to focus on your life, you can focus, or else if at all you want to take any kind of an action, you can take any kind of an action when it comes to your relationship, okay. So you maybe think that like financial things is also be very much important for you, then focus on your financial, focus on your career, okay. Yeah, so these are the thing I can see for the earth element lectures Virgo and Capricorn. I hope it will be resonated with you. I hope it could bring some kind of a clarity towards you. So guys, if at all it brings some kind of a clarity, if at all you like my reading, please give a like, share and subscribe. Please do subscribe. So if at all you're looking at the channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. So guys, please give your support, because your each and every subscription will definitely motivates me a lot, and it will definitely help to grow this channel as well, okay. And if at all your friends and families may love the tarot reading, please do recommend my channel to them. And if at all you guys need any kind of a personal reading, you can definitely reach out either on my WhatsApp or also on my Instagram. Both the detail have been given in the pinned comment. You can go and check with that, okay. So guys, again I want to repeat the same thing. So please give your support, and for the next video, we like upcoming video, I will be post about your person, current feelings, next actions, and as well as channel or messages. So you will be get some kind of a clear picture when it comes to your relationship. So stay tuned for the upcoming video, okay. And again, yeah, please give your support, please do subscribe, okay. So see you guys in the next video, and love you all, take care, bye bye.